And the Department of Social Welfare and Development will further enhance its relief handling, warehousing, and logistics preparations to ensure distribution readiness and safety of the people during calamities. DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman explained that they have formulated ways to enhance the response and relief efforts of the department based on the big lessons learned from the disasters that hit the country, particularly Super Typhoon Yolanda in November last year. Meanwhile, Secretary Soliman denied reports that truckloads of relief goods intended for victims of Super Typhoon Yolanda have rotten in warehouses. Sam Ramirez tells us more.
As early as now, the Department of Social Welfare and Development is already getting ready for the coming storm season. DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman said that they have learned from their experiences with Yolanda's aftermath to know better and to be extra prepared. On top of their list is increasing the number of prepositioned goods to at least 50,000 food packs. The agency is also continuously coordinating with several international organizations to come up with a more effective logistics plan for disaster response and relief operations, one of the biggest challenges that the government faced in the aftermath of the strongest typhoon of 2013.
Logistics. Yun ang aking unang nakitang malaking leksyon. Nung ako'y November 9, nandun ako sa Tacloban. Meron kaming mga goods na nasa Caraga, Butuan, sa Cagayan de Oro, Region 12, meron dito. Paano dadalhin sa amin? 3 lang ang C-130 natin. So on our end, kami ay nakikipag-usap na sa ilang mga international organizations para yung aming logistics capacity ay ma-enhance, no? Madagdagan.
Secretary Soliman does acknowledge that Visayas is not ready for the coming storm season since most families affected by Yolanda are still living in tents. There are about 28,000 families alone in Eastern Samar who are still without houses. The goal is to move them into transitional shelters by the end of May.
Amin hinahabol na ang lahat po na nasa tents ay nasa iba't ibang anyo ng transitional shelter, hopefully June.
Meanwhile, Secretary Soliman corrected some news reports about truckloads of rotten relief goods being buried at a dump site in Palo Leyte last month.
Nagpaimbestiga po kami at pumunta po doon yung aming mga kasamahan. Ang aming findings, naglibing or nagdispose isang sako ng used clothing, isang sako ng mga biskwit, kalahating sako ng bigas, at 10 cup noodles.
They have submitted a copy of the report to the Department of Interior and Local Government, which will rightfully determine the individuals culpable for the incident. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.